Are you concerned about your health care under President Trump? Hi, I'm Tommy at MedicalInsuranceToday.com. I am leery to go deep into politics about this because it's going to upset one side or the other. But I've been an insurance agent for 16 years, going on 17 years this summer. And I was around, obviously, before the Affordable Care Act passed. So the Affordable Care Act passed in 2010, and it didn't take effect until 2014. And that's going to be part of the point of this message, is the amount of time it took from 2010 to 2014 to actually enact new insurance policies under the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. So, if President Trump is to take on healthcare and try and uproot the Affordable Care Act, I'll say, or pass legislation to amend it or to abolish it potentially, it's going to take years before new policies are actually available for the average consumer that's watching this video. So I'm here to quell any fears or concerns and give you confidence that your health insurance is safe. I've been fielding questions from lots of consumers saying, what happens if Trump upends Obamacare? And I'm here to tell you that if that happens, which I'm speculating that it's not going to happen, but if it did, it's going to be a couple 4 years before any new policies are out there for you to buy. So feel safe that your insurance is safe as it is. If the Affordable Care Act is uprooted, it's going to affect primarily the Covered California market, and I would venture employment insurance more than anything else. Medicare, I believe, is really safe. If anything, if the ACA is uprooted, I believe it's going to go to more of a Medicare for all. I believe that's truthfully the only fix out there to make insurance more affordable for all consumers, is to give everybody really good quality health care like Medicare is. Medicare is best insurance out there. So if they're going to make a change, they're going to try and make it all better and more affordable for everybody. Now, Medicare is a huge entitlement, costs a lot of money. So to do that, we could speculate all day long what would come out of dismantling the Affordable Care Act. But at this point, I don't see it happening. And here's why. If Trump's to take it on, amongst all the other things that the man is taking on now, if he's to upend the Affordable Care Act, it's going to cause some chaos in the markets and a lot of fear and concern for people. So it's going to be a ramp up time. I would venture to say 2 to 4 years before any new policies again are out there for consumers to buy. So your insurance is safe. It's 2025. In 2026, I'm 99.99% certain that insurance will remain exactly the same as it is today, even if they uprooted the law today. So feel safe that your insurance is safe. And if they do take it on, we'll be here to address it. I made it through the transition of the Affordable Care Act. That's how I'm sitting where I am today. And if there is a change, I'm still going to be in health insurance, helping consumers figure out what the best policies are that are out there. So if you have questions, comments, or concerns, or want to have a debate on this, I love people's input and love their insight. You can find all of our information in the caption below. It's MedicalInsuranceToday.com, and we'll be with you every step of the way.